Have you ever wondered how pianos make sound? Imagine pressing a key on a piano. When you do this, a small hammer inside the piano hits a string. This is very similar to how you might hit a bell with a small mallet to make it ring. Each piano key is connected to its own hammer and string. When the hammer hits the string, it causes the string to vibrate, and these vibrations create sound waves. The tighter or looser the string, the higher or lower the pitch of the sound it makes. The wooden body of the piano helps amplify these sound waves, much like how a speaker makes music louder. So by pressing different keys, you make different hammers hit different strings, and that's how a piano plays music.